Introduction. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to compare things, associate words like big, small, thin, thick, heavy, and light with items. We see two boxes, but they are of different sizes. When the two things are not of same size, we compare them. We use word small with the object which looks shorter and the word big with the object which is large. Basket A is shorter than basket B. Remember the red chilies a parrot eats. There are small chilies and big chilies. Among three chilies, the first is longest, the third is smallest. Some objects are thin and some are thick. The picture on left is thin. The picture on right is thick. To compare the thickness of more than three objects, we use the words thickest and thinnest. The first stick is thickest. The third stick is thinnest. Things which are difficult or impossible to lift are heavy, and things which can be carried easily are light. The cylinder on left is heavy, and cylinder on right is light. Click the lightest. Some trees are tall and some are short. Giraffe is tall, rat is short. Drag the words tall, taller, tallest according to heights of given items. Objects can be measured in different ways. You may use your hand span, or you may use your arm. You can even use your step for measurement.